Unlock Positivity with Sadhguru, an initiative by Isha Foundation and Big FM.
Sir, we are all fighting against evils, and most of the time we are finding that inside us. And the biggest 6 evils are Kam, Krodh, Lobh, Mad, Moha, Matsarya. So, how to conquer with Krodh, the anger, especially the person who are short-tempered?
So, why you want to ride anger, is it?
Yeah, I want to ride anger.
Really? Then find a tiger, huh? Why do you want to ride anger? You want to destroy the world? See, only when Kali was in a destructive mode, she rode a tiger, all right? Otherwise, all the goddesses usually sat on a lotus and those kind of imagery. Riding a tiger means you want to destroy everybody, is that the intent? Then radio is a bad place to be, huh? Now, why do you want to conquer anger, I am asking? Because you think it's a mountain or it's a peak or it's some great achievement that you want to conquer it? First of all, I'm asking you, are you angry right now? No. Then how will you conquer it? What is not there, how do you conquer it, I'm asking? So the problem is you get angry once in a way. But you don't want to admit, I'm getting angry. You think there is a mountain of anger somewhere. No, there is no such thing, you're getting angry, that's all. If you're a little more conscious, you wouldn't get angry, you would get what you want from within yourself. Your inner experience, what happens from within you, must happen the way you want, isn't it? Why is something that you don't want coming out of you? Simply because you're not taken charge of yourself. You're not taken charge of your faculties, they're flying all over the place, but you want to just conquer one emotion. How's that going to happen? That's never going to happen. This is… see, these are anger, resentment, jealousy, hatred, these are all poisons that you drink. But you expect somebody else to die. No, that's not the way the world works. You drink poison, you die. This is a good world, I'm telling you. But the problem is right now, you want to drink poison and you want somebody else to die. Fortunately, it doesn't work like that. Let me tell you, this happened. A young woman suspected her husband is cheating on her, and then she somehow found access to his phone and looked, she saw all kinds of messages there and she got mad. So she picked up a handgun, went to him, he was sitting on a chair and reading a newspaper. She tore the newspaper away, pointed the gun at him first and then said, "See, I'm going to shoot myself," and she put the gun to her own head. The husband tried to say, no, please, I'll explain, please don't shoot yourself, don't do this. You fool, what do you think, I'm going to just shoot myself? Next is you. So, you drink poison and you think you're going to do something to somebody. No, you'll destroy yourself. So, don't try to control anger, don't try to control jealousy, hatred, resentment, all this nonsense. All that needs to happen is, your thought and your emotion must happen the way you want. If your thought and emotion happen the way you want, would you keep yourself blissful or angry? You definitely will keep yourself in the highest level of pleasantness, isn't it? Instead of taking charge of your faculties, you're dreaming of something as if some absolute anger is sitting somewhere. Anger is not some absolute mountain sitting somewhere and you have to dissolve it. There is no such thing. You are getting angry. Why? Because your thought and emotion is compulsive. If somebody says one thing, you will fly. All that needs to happen is, you must become a conscious response to the world around you. This needs to happen.
Unlock Positivity with Sadhguru, an initiative by Isha Foundation and Big FM.